We get so many questions about our Class 1As and what they are. In Australia, permanent buildings are classified under the National Construction Code. A Class 1A building is a permanent, livable dwelling built to those standards. It means the home is safe, compliant, council approved and fully certified to live in. Meaning, it's fully approved for living and designed to meet Australia's national residential safety and building requirements. Whereas non-habitable spaces like studios, expanders and offices are designed for other use. These include work, storage or extra space for the family, but without the requirements for full-time living. Both serve great purposes, they're just built for different uses. Our standard expanders are popular because they're great for personal use. Many of our customers purchase for extra space for the family, a guest house for visitors, or simply just for storage, all without the hassle of the councils. At Homes and Granny Flats, we are truly a one-stop shop. Our team includes the sales consultants, the designers, the engineers, builders and installers. We truly make the experience for the customer as smooth and easy as it gets. From design to approvals all the way to installation, rest assured our quality and service is a guarantee. At Homes and Granny Flats, we offer a wide range of products to best suit everyone's needs. Whether it's a traditional granny flat, a Class 1A home or a standard expander, you can be certain that we will choose the best solution for you.